There is an involvement of sports law. It has been really developing in the last 25 years. Sports law didn't really exist when I started my training contract back in 1985, but I actually did. It was probably a bit of a novelty. There wasn't many lawyers in the country involved in sports law. And I think the involvement really comes back to the sort of that dirty word of money, because as more money has come into the sport, so there is a need for more regulation, so there is more disputes, so there is more requirements for those involved in sport to have professional legal advice. And of course, one thinks of how football in this country, soccer, has developed with the advent of the Premier League in 1992. We saw rugby union become professional, I think, in the late 1980s. And then other sports, just as it's become a global market, you think of boxing, how big it is now. And then really, I suppose it's the really advent of all the technology, where the devices where you can watch sport really in any part of the world, almost at any time. And the world at large really has become really interested in sport. It's not only a great leisure activity to participate, but it's the way people relax. When it comes to the weekend, it's the football or it's the rugby this time of the year. There's just so much going on with the British Grand Prix coming in July, and then you're going to get the British Open, golf, and then tennis, Wimbledon. And we're right in the middle of an Ashes series at the moment, and already it's just captivated the public's attention, and we've already had a really exciting first test match. Just sports law has evolved really as sport in itself has developed, and it's become more sophisticated, more commercial, and of course back to more money in the game.